Have you ever just sat there staring at a blank screen, totally wishing the content would just, write itself? Well, you're in luck, because today it practically can. Welcome, this is your beginner's guide to WriteSonic, and we're going to show you how to create some amazing AI content in just a matter of minutes.
Okay, so here's the game plan. We've got 5 simple parts. First, we'll get into what WriteSonic actually is. Then, we'll take a tour of the dashboard, write a whole article from just one little idea, whip up some snappy social media content, and finally, show you how to polish and export your work. Sound good? Let's dive in.
All right, so first things first, what exactly is this tool? The easiest way to think about WriteSonic is like having your own personal AI content assistant, one that's ready to go whenever you are. So at its heart, WriteSonic is a super powerful AI writing tool. Its whole job is to do the heavy lifting for you when it comes to creating content. We're talking everything from long, in-depth blog posts to quick and catchy social media updates. The goal is simple: get you high-quality results, and I mean fast.
The moment you log in, you land right here on the main dashboard. You can think of this as your command center. Everything is laid out really cleanly to help you find the exact tool you need right when you need it.
You'll notice the dashboard basically splits everything into 2 main buckets. On one side, you've got articles and blogs. That's going to be your go-to for all your long-form stuff. And on the other side, you've got social media and ads, which is perfect for all that punchy, short-form copy. This layout makes it so easy to just jump right in. Okay, now for the fun part. Let's put this thing to the test with what I think is its most impressive feature, the AI article writer. We are literally going to go from a simple topic to a full-blown article in just a couple of clicks. So for this example, we're going to use a topic that's always super popular: how to grow on YouTube. It's the perfect subject to see how the AI handles something that needs to be detailed and full of good advice. Now here's what's so cool about this. It doesn't just spit out an article. It actually walks you through the writing process in 4 logical steps. You start with generating ideas, then a great intro, then it helps you build outlines, and then it writes the full article. So you're in the driver's seat the whole time. And just look at that. Look at the intro it came up with. This is not some generic robotic text. When it says the real work is growing your audience, it's hitting on a major pain point for creators. It's engaging, it feels human, and it sets the stage perfectly. This is the kind of quality we're talking about.
Oh, and check this out. This is a fantastic little touch. It automatically finds and pops in a relevant picture for your article. I know it sounds like a small thing, but it saves you a step and makes your draft look way more professional right from the get-go.
But hey, WriteSonic is not just for massive articles. Let's switch gears and see how fast it can whip up some sharp, effective copy for social media. We'll focus on YouTube titles. So let's pretend we just finished making a review video for the investment app eToro. Now comes the hard part, right? We need some killer titles that'll make people actually click. Okay, option 1. This one's super clear, it's direct, it's packed with keywords. This is perfect for search and tells the viewer exactly what they're going to get. A really solid, practical choice.
Now, option 2 takes a totally different angle. By making it a question, it sparks your curiosity, right? It speaks directly to someone who's a little hesitant and wants more info. That's a really smart psychological hook.
And this third one, this is brilliant. It shows how the AI can suggest different content angles for your video. This title suggests a whole different format, like a walkthrough, which is perfect for viewers who want a hands-on demo. In just seconds, you get a whole bunch of creative ideas.
So you've used the AI to generate your content. You've got your article, you've got your title, now what? Well, the last step is to polish it up in the editor and then get it out there for the world to see.
The Sonic editor has all the basic tools you need for those final tweaks. You can easily make text bold, add your headings, pop in some links or videos. And then, and this is the really cool part, you can either download it as a regular document or you can publish it directly to your WordPress site. That is a massive time saver, creating a super smooth path from idea to published post.
And there you have it. From finding your way around the dashboard to writing entire articles and creating social media copy, you now have the complete roadmap for using WriteSonic. It's simple, it's really powerful, and it's incredibly fast. So I guess there's only one question left. What are you going to create first?